The CSV Onboarding app lets you bulk upload a list of users and devices, making it easier than ever to add multiple users at once. It replaces the process of entering the most common data manually when you're setting up your users. To get started, select either Add Users if you are just creating new users, or Add Users and Devices, which lets you create a user and associate a device in one go. Next, you'll upload your CSV file. Make sure it has columns for first name, last name, password, email extension, and notification email, written as shown here on the screen. The header row is required, and the email and extension values must be unique. Once your CSV file is ready to go, drag and drop it so it will upload. Next, click Proceed. Now you want to review the mappings. The field names in each dropdown are the proposed match to your import file. You will need to verify that each column has mapped correctly. If you want to add some advanced custom settings for voicemail boxes, call parking, and other feature codes using JSON, check the box at the bottom of your screen. You will be prompted to add your code into one of three different fields on the next screen: user settings, device settings, or voicemail box settings. When this page is correct, click Proceed. If you checked the JSON box, you'll be prompted to enter your code. If not, your file will upload and your contacts will be imported. To view and manage your users, simply navigate to the Smart PBX app. Then, click on the Users tab, and your new users will be populated in the list.